Hi students, this week we are going to see how to find sum of the n terms of GP. That is, how to find the sum, that is total sum of the terms of the GP. Okay, see here, for example, find the sum of 6 terms of the GP, 5, 15, 45, like that. So we have to add the numbers. Okay, 5 plus 15 plus 45 plus something, it goes on till 6 terms we have to find the addition, and for that we are having formulas. Okay, now there are two formulas to find the sum of the terms of GP. One is Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1, and another one is Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. And this formula you can use when R is greater than 1. R means common ratio. Common ratio is greater than 1 means you use this formula. If common ratio is less than 1, you use this formula. Okay. Right. Now, so if you want to find the sum, the first work is to find the common ratio. Okay. So see here. First, let us find the common ratio for this sum. So common ratio formula T2 by T1 equal to, what is T2? 15. 15 by 5. Okay. So T2 by T1. So 15 by 5 equal to 3. So 3 is greater than 1. So R equal to, see here, 3 which is greater than 1. Okay. So we can use which formula? The first formula. So first formula, Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay. Now n is a number of terms, 6 terms they have given. So you can write S6 equal to A, first term. What is first term? 5. 5 into R is, we found R equal to 3. 3 power n is 6. Okay, 3 power 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, which is equal to 5 into 3 power 6. What is 3 power 6 value? See here, you know 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 27. So 3 power 6 means 3 power 3 into 3 power 3. Okay, that is 27 into 27. If you multiply, you will get 729. Okay. So the answer is 729 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 into 729 minus 1, 728 by 2. If you cancel this 728 and 2, you get 364. So 5 into 364. If you multiply, 0 remaining 2, 30, 32, 2 remaining 3, 15, 18. So S6 is 1820. That is the addition of all these terms. You get all the 6 terms. See here, that is simply to understand. See here, 5 plus 15 plus 45 plus, it goes on till 6 terms. This GP is formed by multiplying 3 as common ratio. 5 3s are 15, 15 into 3, 45, 45 into 3, 135, 135 into 3, 405. Okay, plus, so 135 into 3, 15, 1, 0, 1, so 405. 405 into 3, 1, 0, 1, 12,215. Now if you add all these 3 numbers, all these 6 numbers, you will get this answer. This is what we have found using the formula. Just if you add all these 6 numbers, you will get what? 1820 you will get. Okay. That what? Instead of doing like this, we are using the formula like this. Okay. Now is it clear why we are using the formula, what is the concept? This is the concept, okay. This is S6. So this is not necessary, just for you to understand. Next, we will see another sum. See here, find the sum of 8 terms of the GP 1 minus 3 9 minus 27 dot 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 dot. Okay, so to find the sum of the terms in GP, we have to find R first. Okay, so R equal to T2 by T1 equal to T2 minus 3 by 1 equal to minus 3. Okay, so T2 is minus 3 and T1 is 1. So with minus 3 by 1 equal to minus 3. Now, and see here clearly R equal to minus 3 is less than 1. Okay, last previous sum R equal to 3 is greater than 1, but here we are having less than 1. So less than 1 means we have to use the second formula, this formula. Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R if R less than 1. So Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R, okay, which is equal to n is 8 terms ma. So S8 equal to A is 1, okay, A is 1. So 1 into 1 minus R power n, that is, what is R? Minus 3 power n is 8 ma, okay, by 1 minus R is minus 3. Okay, see that you put the bracket correctly. Okay, R is minus 3. So only I put minus 3 in a bracket, which is equal to 1 is not necessary, it is multiplication. So that is not necessary, write this alone. So 1 now see here, 1 minus, this is a negative number ma, and the power is even number. So the answer will be surely positive only. Okay, so you can write 3 power 8. Okay, you understand? The power is the inside number, the number inside is negative and the power is even number. Okay, the power is even number. So if you multiply 8 times, you will get a positive value only. Okay, so I put, instead of minus 3, I put plus 3 by 1 minus into minus plus 3 equal to 1 minus, if you want to find 3 power 8, you can find. Okay, but that is not necessary. But if you want to find, already we know 3 power 6 is 729. Okay, so if you multiply into 3, we get 3 power 7. 7, 2, 6, 8, 7 3s are 21. Again, if you multiply by another 3, you will get 3 power 8. 1, remaining 2, 24, 26, remaining 2, 3 plus 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 6. So, our answer is 6, 5, 6, 1 by 1 plus 3, 4. So, if you subtract this, you will get minus 6, 5, 6, 0 by 4. Surely it will be divisible by 4 because the last 2 digits is in 4 table. 60 is in 4 table. Okay, 4 15s are 60. The last 2 digits is in 4 table. So surely this entire number will be divisible by 4. So see here, and you have to put minus by plus minus. If you want to divide, you can go and divide by 4. 1 time, 6 times, 4 times. 0 means in 0 there is no 4, so put 0. Okay, so your answer is minus 1640. So this is the sum of the 8 terms of this term. It is in negative because the common ratio is less than 1. So it is, the sum is negative. That's all, very simple. Okay. And next we are going to see 5 marks based on the sum of n terms of GP. So here, find the sum to n terms of the series 5 plus 55 plus 555. Okay, see here. First, the given series, this is series. They have given this as series. They didn't give this as GP because it is not a GP. Okay. For GP, what is the condition? T2 by T1 should be equal to T3 by T2. See here. Now T2 by T1 should be equal to T3 by T2. This is the condition for GP. Now if you apply in this condition 55 by 5, T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2, 555 by 55. Okay, you get 11 here. If you cancel by 5 table, get 111 by 11. 111 by 11, okay, we can't cancel because 111 is it is not divisible by 11. Okay, only 110 is divisible by 11. So, it is not divisible by 11. So, it is not equal. Here we get LHS, we get 11, and here 111 by 11. So, they are not equal. So, it is not GP. Okay. Now, we have to change this into GP. Okay. For that, what we are going to do? See here. First, write Sn equal to 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus dot to n terms. Okay. Now, what I am going to do? See here. Take everything for all the numbers. 5 is common, so take it out. 5. You take it out. 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus dot to n terms. Okay, 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus dot to n terms. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I am going to multiply 5 into and divide by 9. I am going to multiply and divide by 9. Okay, my target is to bring a GP from this given series. Okay, then only we can use the formula. Okay, so see here. Just write the number inside as it is. To n terms. Okay, multiply and divide by 9. For all the sums based on this concept, you can use 9 by 9. Okay. Now, you keep this 9 as the denominator, 5 by 9, and you multiply the series inside with 9. So, what happens into 9 ones are 9 plus 9 11s are 99 plus 999 plus dot to n terms goes on. Okay, clear? Next. Now what I am going to do is here 5 by 9 you keep it as it is, and see here this instead of this 9 I am going to write 10 minus 1 plus instead of this 999 I am going to write 100 minus 1 plus instead of this 999 I am going to write 1000 minus 1 plus dot to n terms. Okay, right. Now instead of this, just I am going to write, that's all, 10 minus 1, 900 minus 1, 1000 minus 1, that's all. Now what I am going to do, see here, I am going to group the numbers. I am going to group the numbers, see here, 10 plus 100 plus 1000, all these I am going to group. I am just grouping, okay, grouping the numbers, plus 1000 plus dot to n terms, and see here, minus 1, the remaining numbers are minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 like that. So, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and it goes on, okay, till n terms. We don't know how many minus 1 are there, okay, it goes on. So, I have written just generally n terms. Now, see here, 5 by 9 into 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus dot to n terms, and I don't know how many minus 1 are there. Okay, so we don't know how many minus 1 are there. If, for example, if there are minus 1, like 10 minus 1 are there, what is the answer? Minus 10. Okay, if you add and put the same symbol, we get minus 10. If there are 5, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 means answer is minus 5. Okay, but here we don't know how many minus 1 are there. There are n terms. Okay, there are n terms. 10 terms means minus 10. 5 terms means minus 5 we can write. But n terms means, so I am writing minus n. Simple. That's all. Okay. Hope it is clear. Okay, now see here, already we have framed a GP. This is already in the form of GP. The reason for grouping is to create the GP. See here, this is a perfect GP. See here, T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. So just see here, T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. What is T2? 100. 100 by 10 equal to T3 is 1000. 1000 by 100. Okay, T2. So if you cancel, you get 10. If you cancel this, you get 10. So 10 equal to 10. So it is GP. Clear? Okay. So I am going to use the formula for this given GP. So what is the formula? Sn equal to A into, and we saw, okay, we should know, before writing the formula, we should find R. Okay, because there are two formulas. So R equal to T2 by T1. So which is equal to T2 is 100 by 10 equal to 10, which is greater than 1. So we can use definitely this formula, A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay, and here A is what? A is 10. Okay, A is 10 in this GP. So A is 10 and R is also 10. Okay, this is not rough work. This is a part of the sum. Okay, right. So instead of this one, which one? 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus till n terms. Instead of this alone I am writing, I am using the formula. Okay, see here, A, instead of A put 10 into, instead of R 10 power n minus 1 by R minus 1, that is 10 minus 1. This formula substitution is for only this one, this part. What is the remaining part? Minus n, that you have to write, don't forget. Okay, that is the remaining part. So therefore, instead of this, I wrote the substitute the formula. I used the formula and found this value. Okay, right. Now see here, we don't know n. Okay, the entire sum is for n terms, so we don't know n. So 5 by 9 into 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1, 9 minus n. Now what you do, you multiply this 5 by 9 inside. Inside we are having two terms. One is this one, 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9, and another one is minus n. So I am going to multiply this 5 by 9 with both these terms. Okay, so see here what happens. See here, first to multiply 5 tens are 50 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9 nines are 81 minus this minus 5 by 9 into n, that's all. Okay, this is just a variable. So 5 by 9 into n, that's all. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, now next we are going to see another sum, the 5 marks. See here, the same model. Find the sum to n terms of the series 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, now see here, last sum 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now see here, I didn't erase the sum. I am not going to do the entire sum. Just I am going to alter the previous sum. Okay, so that you can understand that both are same model. Okay, see here. First I have to change the first step. Okay, 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus dot 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 to n terms. Next, in the next step, you have to take 3 common. As usual, the inside part is, the series here will not change. Okay, right, the same thing. Now, write 3. Wherever 5 comes, you have to write 3. Okay, right. Now, see here. 9 by 9 as usual same. I told you that this will not change. Okay, for all the sums based on this model, we have to multiply and divide by 9. Okay, right. Now see here, 9 by 9. It goes, this 9, the numerator 9, you can multiply this with the inside the series inside the bracket, and this 9, the denominator, will go to this denominator. See here, like a fraction, 3 by 9. Okay, this will be the denominator for 3 by 9, and this numerator 9 will go and multiply with the numbers inside the bracket, that is this series, and you will get this answer only. So the same step. And the next step, see here one small work is there. You can cancel this 3 and 9 because 9 is in 3 table. Previous sum, 9 is not in 5 table, so we can't cancel. Okay, so here 9 is in 3 table, so you can cancel. You can put 1 3s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Clear? And whatever inside will be the same in all the steps. This will be same, this will be same, this will be same, this will be same. So everything will be same inside the bracket from here. Where? From here. Okay. And this part alone changes. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Here also 1 by 3. Okay. So no change in the fraction here. Okay, this will become 1 by 3, and I told how, and the same thing. The final answer changes. That's all. Only the final answer changes, because last sum we multiplied by 5 by 9. Here we are multiplying by 1 by 3. So see here, 1 tens are 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 3 nines are 27 minus this minus 1 by 3 into n. That's all. 1 by 3 into n. So this is Sn. Clear? So very simple 5 mark. Okay. So based on this model, that is 3 plus double 3 plus double 3, or 5 plus double 5 plus double 5, or 6. You can get some like 6 also. Okay. You can so here if you get 6 plus double 6 plus double 6, what happens? Here 6 by 9. You will get 6 by 9 here. So if you cancel 6 and 9, 2 by 3. Okay. Here if the question is like this, 6 plus double 6 plus triple 6 plus dot dot dot, here you get 6 by 9. Okay. 6 into 9 by 9, and here 6 by 9. If you cancel, 2 by 3. So the entire thing will be 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. And final answer will be what? See here, 2 into 10, 20. Okay, 3 nines are 27, minus 2 by 3 into n, 2 by 3 n. That's all. Okay. So this is for 6 plus, the question is like this, 6 plus double 6 plus double 6. Your answer will be like this. Okay.